Hello students, so we are going to start with new chapter and the name of the chapter is quadratic equation. So first of all, quadratic equation. So first of all, we have to know the meaning of equation. Equation means equal to sign. Quadratic means highest power of variable in the expression is equal to 2. Now, suppose x square plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. X square 1 by x plus 3 is equal to 0. X square plus 4 is equal to 0. X square root x plus 3 is equal to 0. X square x plus 3 is equal to 0. So we have to check about the quadratic equations, whether these expressions are in polynomial form or not. First of all, while solving quadratic equations or while checking quadratic expression, first of all we have to check whether the expressions are polynomials or not. So a standard form of the polynomial is x ka power n bxn minus 1 cxn minus 2 plus d dot dot. So this is px. Yes or no? Next is quadratic equations. So that will be x square bx plus c is equal to 0. X square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, and here a can't be equal to 0. So first we have to check whether the expressions are polynomial or not, whether the expressions are in polynomial form or not. First question. Second question, if the expressions are in polynomial form, then whether this is quadratic equation or not. So polynomial, the power of x, what is x? X is a variable. The power of x, what is x? The x is variable. So power of x must be non-negative number, or it should be free from radical sign. What is the meaning of radical sign? It should not be in a square root form. It should not be in this form. It should not be in this form. Means not in fraction form, not in radical sign form, not in negative number. The power of x cannot be equal to negative number. So we have to check whether the expressions are quadratic or not. So here the expressions are equation means equal to sign. The highest power of the variable is 2 and the power of x is also equal to 1. So this is quadratic equation. This is not a quadratic equation. Why? Equation, that is correct, but x square plus x minus 1 plus 3. So the power of x can't be equal to negative number. The power of x can't be equal to negative number. Next is this. This is quadratic equation. Why? Since x square, b may be 0, but a can't be 0, like this. This is not a quadratic equation. This is equation since equal to sign, but the power of variable is equal to 1. So this is linear equation. X square plus x ka power 1 by 2 plus 3 is equal to 0. This is not a quadratic equation. Why? The power of x. What is x? X is a variable. There are two types of number. One is variable, one is constant. So here the power of x is in the fraction form. So if the power of x is in the fraction form, it means this is not a quadratic equation. This is exactly not equal to polynomial. Yes or no? And this is also not a quadratic equation. So next thing, this is the standard form of quadratic equation. A can't be equal to 0. Yes or no? So number of roots, number of solutions of x is equal to degree of polynomial. So degree of polynomial is 2. So number of roots are 2. So first step, find D. D means discriminant, which is equal to b square minus 4ac. If d is greater than 0, d lesser than 0, d equal to 0, roots are not real. Roots are real and unequal. Roots are real and equal. Yes. And how to find the roots? So x is equal to minus b plus root b upon 2a. For second roots, just write minus sign in place of plus. So these are two roots of the quadratic equation. So what is quadratic equation? An expression having degree of 2. Any expression having degree 2, highest degree means what? The highest power of variable. Yes or no? The power of x can't be in the form of fraction, can't be in a square root, can't be in negative number. So these are not in the quadratic equation form. Already we have seen this part. And if the equations are in quadratic form, then how to find the roots? How many total number of roots are going to exist? So total number of roots are 2. So it may be real or imaginary, not real. So how to check? Just first step, we have to find discriminant. How to find discriminant? So d is equal to b square minus 4ac. What is b? B is coefficient of x. What is b? What is a? Coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. B means coefficient of x. C means constant. So just find b square minus 4ac. If the value of d is greater than 0, it means roots are real and unequal. If d is lesser than 0, roots are imaginary, not equal to 0. Yes or no? Means there are two criteria not equal to 0. D may be greater than 0, D may be lesser than 0. If D is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. So if D is greater than 0 or equal to 0, in that case we are going to get real values of x. Otherwise we will get not real value, and that value is called imaginary value. So what is the condition for imaginary value? D is lesser than 0. Thank you very much.